Hey YouTube, today we're at downtown Disney. Yay! We're actually supposed to be at Great Wolf, but that's okay. We're just watching the fireworks.
There's a new guest.
And today we have a guest joining the video.
Hello. Hello. And that's the cameraman.
Right now we're gonna take a family picture. So
See you back in 11 minutes.
okay.
And we're back.
So we're back. As you can see, we're at downtown Disney. Woohoo!
Yeah.
I mean, we're not gonna ride rides. We're just here for fireworks.
Fireworks, that's just lame.
That's it.
Fireworks!
That's okay because
Look at that
it's
tower
Disney.
over there.
Like,
Look up there. Watch it. That looks so crazy. Wait, where's the cameraman? Oh, there he is. Hi! And this guy's from Duckler Squad. No, it's Big Up Squad, bro. When you say it's Duckler Squad. Wow.
you can hear that chant going on.
Baseball game.
Party.
Wow. This is super big. Come on, we have to catch up. Yeah, it's big. Hey, there's football and hockey up there.
People are mostly here just because I can.
You see them? Chilling on the side. Why, mister? Yeah, correct. I'm not. Whoa. I'm a
Yeah, you too. Okay, you guys, so the fireworks just got canceled, so now we're heading back to the hotel.
Hi! Hi, it's Jaden's favorite cousin. Hi. Hi.
So yeah, we're heading back to the hotel. We've waited